Can you imagine logging into a brand new website and get paid up to $100 every 60 minutes without doing any work? And there are a lot of people doing it all around the world. All you have to do is
that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross.
this is the brand new website where we're making the $100 every 60 minutes. So you also have to do is scroll down to down of the page and tap on BTC faucet. And when you tap on BTC faucet, you have to get a Bitcoin address to enable you to proceed. You can go over to www.luno.com to register a Bitcoin account. Just have to put your email address, confirm your phone number. That's all what is needed. And if you want under Bitcoin account, you can also go over to coinbase.com. So when you're done registering a Bitcoin account, go over to the dashboard and get your Bitcoin address. Then you can paste it in the required space there and tap on the click to verify. Then you have to just verify some captcha just to prove that you're not a robot. Then tap on claim BTC and you'll be given a random amount for free. So you can do this every 60 minutes, that's every 1 hour. So it's luck. You can earn high amounts and you can also earn low amounts. It's very simple. You can also do this for multiple accounts. You can create a lot of Bitcoin accounts and this is for multiple accounts, so you can earn maximum money. So that's all for this video. Kindly hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.